have to confess something. When I started GeekJ, I just wanted to share a few optimization tricks so you wouldn't have to suffer through bad frame rates like I did, even if you're still on decent hardware, but not the latest hardware, okay? And I also wanted to share my passion for AI with all of you guys. I never imagined, not in a million years, that we'd hit 1,000 subscribers, especially in the time frame we did and in the niche I'm trying to hit. So I just want to say you guys are freaking legends. But yeah, I want you to know that every like, every comment, every subscription mean so much to me. Because of you guys, the channel is officially monetized, and that means one thing: bigger, better, and insanely optimized content is coming your way. So yeah, you guys, I want to thank you for being part of the GeekJ squad. And if you haven't yet, just make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Love you guys.